This monster is PetraTools HD4000 battery-powered backpack sprayer. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Let's take a look at how to put it together, and then we're going to take it outside and see how well it works. First, before you do anything, make sure you charge this fully. Then you're going to put these wand holders on, and it's real easy. They go down, and you'll see there's only one way they'll go. It will stop going down. Put the hex nut on the front and screw from the back forward. Once that's done, you're going to put the hose end on here. Then you're going to take the wand and screw it onto the handle. You're going to put this part right here onto this, and then you've got 6 ends to choose from. Now there are 2 ways to power this on, and you want to get this right. Never do them both at the same time. You can either ramp up the power by turning this, and that will turn it on, or you can use the rocker switch to turn off full power. One other thing to note on the front, this will actually show you your power. You're ready to go. Let's check this out. I'm going to show you the different spray nozzles. This is just the shower spray. Real easy. I just have the one rocker switch on, so I don't have the adjustable power. Remember, choose one or the other. You're going to ruin the electronics. This right here is going to be the double head nozzle. So again, you're getting a pretty big spray. Here's the single spray nozzle. Again, just a nice mist. This is the fan flap nozzle, so it's going to give you this. This one here is the adjustable. You see right there, and if you loosen it, you can go up to 20 feet. This is the final one. This is the adjustable brass nozzle. This is not good for bleach or acid solutions. And you can adjust it. Of course, right there, you get the mist. You can unscrew it and change the strain. Now, I did fill this up with water just so I could test the different nozzles. Of course, when you're using chemicals, make sure you're wearing gloves. I love it. It is heavy with all the water in there, but the straps makes it convenient. Super easy to go around your whole yard and get everything done that you want.